Assalamu alaikum. Hey viewers, hello to my amazing viewers all around the world. I'm standing right outside the beautiful Al Haram. Here is the holy city of Makkah Mukarramah. Makkah is famous for its incredible markets, and today I step into this hidden gem of an artificial jewelry shop. Look at this shine. Whether you are looking for stunning bridal sets, daily wear rings, elegant bangles, or beautiful Islamic calligraphy pendants, this place has something for everyone. The craftsmanship is stunning, the price are so affordable. People travel here from every corner of the globe, from America to Asia, Europe to Africa, and shops like this let you take the little piece of elegance back home to your loved ones as a gift. Drop a comment down below which country are you watching from and what's your favorite type of jewelry. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share this video with your family. Peace and blessing to you all from Makkah.